the various engineering streams. At that time, the mathematics is the part of your life. Okay. So here, today we will discuss about the class 12 portion, the differentiation. Okay. So there are all stream students are here. So first here, I will discuss about that what is differentiation. Okay. So I hope all of you know that what is differentiation or what is derivative. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just before starting the topic, I just give you two statements. That is, first, if you are comfort with your mother tongue, you can ask in your mother tongue. Okay. And number two, that here, this is the interactive session. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Okay. And sometime I will ask to you some questions. If that is correct, that will be appreciated. And if that is wrong, then we will rectify it. And here in this class, our main motto is we will learn together. So all of you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So basically here, whenever if you have any queries, any doubts, you are feel free to ask. Okay. So first, we have to know that what is derivative.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, what we know that if we consider a function y is equal to f of x. Okay. All of us know this one, that y is equal to f of x, and then what you write in the class 12, that is differentiate with respect to x. Okay, do you write this one? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So then what you get? That is, you write dy dx is equal to f dash. Now can you tell me that here how many variables are there?
One variable is there.
Yes. How many variables? One, sure.
Two.
Two
Two variables are there.
That is, here x is one variable and y is another variable. And whatever we can say that this y is depend on x, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means if we write here that y is equal to x cube plus 1. Okay. So then if x belongs to R, can you tell me what is the nature of x?
Real number.
Can
be
Real
any
number.
number from
Yes,
real
yes,
numbers.
real number. Real number means what is the range of real number?
Minus infinity to plus infinity.
Infinity.
Who said this? Minus infinity to plus infinity?
Sir, I am.
Sir, I.
Sir, I am.
Yes, what is the name?
Sir, Shiv.
Bollywood
Prakash,
joke.
sir.
Yes, very good. The range is minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, now see here that for different values of x, you will get different values of y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You will get, okay. That means here y depend on x. Y depend on x. So here we can say that this x, y depend on x means y is which type of variable?
The dependent variable.
Yes, very good. Y is dependent variable and
X is independent variable.
yes, very good. X is independent variable. X is independent variable. Very good. So now we have to know that what is the basic condition for finding the derivative of a function. Okay, that is the function must be continuous. What is the definition of continuity? Can anyone tell me? Or in general, can you define me that what is the condition or what? When you can say that some function is continuous.
Sir, when
When
left
Sir,
hand limit
when
is equal
left
to
hand
right
limit
hand
and
limit is
right hand limit is
F
equal.
and
Wait,
f
wait, wait,
of
wait,
x
wait, wait.
equal to 0.
Wait, I just tell you one by one set. Okay, at a time, this is creating a chaos. One by one set.
Sir,
First one.
when
When I say
sir, when left hand limit and right hand limit is equal to on this point.
Okay, that means suppose you are saying that if you consider a function y is equal to f of x and limit x tends to,
x
Uh,
minus
of dash
0
of
minus
dash
Zero.
number.
okay,
Zero.
I say I'll take one
If
point a,
A
f of x
is
is
equal
equal
to
to,
limit
limit x tends to
x
f
tends
plus
to A plus f of x.
and also at the point the functional value.
is equal to limit x tends to a f of a.
Yes, yes.
Okay, then we can say the function is continuous. But now I just tell you one thing here. Is it continuous?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why it is continuous? Why this is continuous?
Because
Sir,
the curve
There
is
is no
Because there is no break.
in the function.
Because
Yes.
there is no
There are
break.
no gaps.
There is no break. That means without lifting the pen, if we draw a curve, that is a continuous. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
yes.
sir.
That is continuous. Okay, fine, very good. Okay. So now let us say that what is the basic differentiation rule? Okay, this is the two basic differential rules. Okay, so here what is given? That is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h is equal to f dash x. And if we find that the right hand point and the left hand point also it is the same at the value, then we can say the function is differential. Okay, I just tell you one thing here, that if we consider the function here x sine 1 by x at the point x is equal to 0, is it differentiable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How?
sir.
How is it
Sir,
differentiable?
if x equal to 0, there is infinity.
Okay, actually see, before this one, there are some properties of differentiation. Okay, so here I just show you, these are the algebra of derivative functions. Okay, I will discuss that problem later, but before that we have to know this, the rules of differentiation. That is, we know first the derivative of a constant is 0. Okay, do you agree?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
An algebra of derivative functions, that is it, this one, that is ddx of f of x plus g of x, whatever. Here I take two functions. If there are more than 3 functions or up to n number of functions, also these hold the linearity property. Okay, and this is the product rule, you know already, and this is the division. Okay, did you complete this one in class 12? The
Yes,
product.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of
Yes,
you?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I hope in the next, you know all these formulas. So I just tell you one thing, that just take a screenshot of this slide. Actually, now we are going to solve some problems on differentiations, which will help us, and this formula will help us to solve some problems. Okay.
Sir, please show the
Yes.
previous page.
Yes. Previous slide. Yeah. Sure.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, its previous page, sir. One time, please.
Can you tell me again?
Sir, its previous page. Sir,
Previous page.
basic differentiation rule.
Basic differentiation. Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Wait, complete.
Okay, okay, fine. So all of you take a screenshot of this slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Taken.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you. Rules of differentiation, I hope all. Sir, you just tell me that if we take some function. Okay, I just give it here some function that was equal to e to the power 2x cos 3x. Can you find the derivative of this function?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, can anyone
sir.
tell me that how to solve
Sir,
it?
Sir, by chain formula.
2 into e to the power
UV
2x cos x
method.
cos 3x
By
plus e to
UV
the
method.
power 3x minus sine
Sir, by
3x
product rule.
into 3.
Yes, actually see that here we consider this one by like this. Okay, just see that here if we see that this is the product of two function. Achha, this is which type of function?
Exponential.
Yes,
Exponential.
Exponential.
yes, exponential. And this one,
Trigonometry.
Trigonometry.
trigonometry. Okay, very good. So now see that this is the product of two function. So can we take that f of x is equal to e to the power 2x and g of x is equal to cos 3x. Okay. And here you have to remind the general rules, that is the ddx of e to the power ax is equal to a e to the power x and ddx of cos ax.
Sir,
Yes.
Minus 3a into sine x.
Yeah.
Sir.
ddx of cos ax, that is minus a sine ax. Yes, someone asked a question, want to ask question?
no, sir. I can tell. I answered already the question.
I just, okay. Hello, who is speaking?
My name is Sourav Ghorai, sir.
Okay, if you can speak in your mother tongue, okay?
Sir, আমার উত্তর answer মানে complete হয়ে গেছে করে
ঠিক
ফেলেছি।
আছে, ঠিক আছে, okay, no problem. I think some of you also that they just forgot how to differentiate, so I just show you how to solve it. Okay. So here y is equal to e to the power 2x and into cos 3x. So here we take f of x is equal to e to the power 2x and g of x is equal to cos 3x. So now just follow this form. Okay. So what will be the answer now? That is first
E to the power 2x in
that is
bracket
2
sir, minus
to the power
3 e to the power 2x and 3x
cos
plus
3x
2 cos e to the power 2x.
So minus 3 sine 3x.
Cos 3x
minus 3 sine
minus
3x.
3 sine 3x e to the power 2x.
Okay. So is there anyone who has any doubt on this method? Is there anyone?
No, sir.
If any problem, you are feel free to ask. Okay. You are feel free to ask and solve your queries and doubts. Because if you have doubts in differentiation, integration, then it will be create a chaos for the upcoming future. Okay. So if you have any queries, I just say again that kindly complete or ask your doubts and clear your doubts. Okay. So now, can I solve some more problems?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here I just give you another one or two problem here. That if we take y is equal to x square log x. I just give here one or two problems and you have solved that y is equal to x square log x, y is equal to x sine x. Number 3, x square plus y square is equal to a square. Number 4, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So now can you solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now can I help you to solve this one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You can. Okay, very good. It's a very good sign.
Firstly, x square into 1 by x plus log x into 2x.
Okay.
That is the answer.
2x log x.
That is, if you differentiate it, that is the
X
x.
log x.
X plus 2x log x.
Sir,
Second
x
is
into 1 plus
sin
x.
x
Second,
plus
x into cos x plus sin
X
x.
cos x plus
Okay. This one is the first one. Number 2.
x cos x plus sin x.
sin
And
x plus x
third
cos
will be
x.
2x plus 2y into dy by dx equal to
Sir,
0.
third one
So
is
2y dy dx
minus
equal to
y by
minus,
x.
minus
Minus
2x, so
x
minus
by
x by y. That is the answer.
Okay. Number 3. You get 2x plus
2y dy
2y
dx equals to 0.
dx.
is equal to 0.
Equals to
That
0.
is, dy dx is equal to minus
X
x
by
by
y.
Minus
Okay.
x by y.
Okay. So now you just see this one, that this one actually you get x plus 2x log x, yeah? This one x cos x plus sin x and dy dx is equal to minus x by y. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I just tell you one thing. If you follow the number 1, then is dy dx exist at x is equal to 0 for the question number 1?
Yes.
See very carefully.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is log 0 defined?
No, sir. No,
But see
sir.
here, x is defined over 1, 2, 3, all the points.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
at,
Yes,
but
sir.
at x is equal to infinity, is it?
Sir, can you please say it once again?
Okay. At x is equal to, just take the question number 1. Okay. What you get? Dy dx is equal to x plus 2x log x. Okay. So now you just tell me that at x is equal to 0, dy dx is valid or
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Log x is not defined.
log
It's
x is not?
not valid.
Log 0 is not defined.
Log 0 is not defined. So now can you tell me that how can you find the curve? Actually, this is a
Sir.
this represent a curve, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the second one, is it, do you find the dy dx at all the points? That is, if x is a real number, can you find the derivative at all the points?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You can find. And dy dx is equal to minus xy. Can you find all the points here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
No, sir, because if y becomes 0, then it
Y
will become
becomes
Yes,
0.
that means here y must be not. Okay. That means which curve from here you will find that must not passes through the point y is equal to 0. Okay. As now come to the point the 4, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to c. Okay. Achha, you just see here the question number 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Can you differentiate with the question number 1, 2, 3, and with the 4? Can you differentiate?
Sir, 4 is the
Yes,
circle
sir,
equation.
with respect to x, we
Yes,
can.
sir.
Yes.
4 is
Yes,
a
with respect
Yes, sir.
circle. 3 is also
One by one,
circle
one
equation.
by one, one by one. All of you can talk, but one by one. You have to maintain your sequel. Okay. So just
The
tell
3
me
is
what
a
is the.
section
Okay,
of
let me
circle
clear
where
my question.
center is.
Let me clear my questions. Okay. You just find what is the difference with question number 4 to question number 1, 2, and 3.
Sir, in question
Between
number
4 and
four,
which?
there is
One by one,
three
one by one.
constants.
I again say one by one. Yes, tell me.
Sir, in question number 4, there is 3 constants.
3 constants. Okay. Any other observation?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
the differentiation
Sir,
Yes.
try any product format.
Yes,
the
yes.
question 4.
Sir, it is
The
Someone,
two
someone wants
variable,
to say about the format.
the variables are
2 variables. See here that 1, 2, 3 also contains 2 variables.
no, no sir, the variables are
Yes.
multiplied.
Product format.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
There is x into y in the fourth one.
Yes, you are on the right way. Try to, you can speak in your mother tongue. Yes, you can speak in your mother tongue. Tell me.
A minus 8 plus x minus 5.
Here, sign is not matched. Okay. You just tell me what is the difference with 1, 2, 3 with.
Sir, 2 variables in
Is it
product.
a quadratic equation?
Quadratic equation does not matter. It will matter whenever
Sorry,
we want.
three variables.
Yes.
First question is
Three
parabolic.
variables used.
Okay.
Number
I just okay.
x is multiplied by x and y.
Yes. Next. Then any other?
So we have to differentiate on the base of dy dx. So with respect to x, we have to differentiate.
We
But
know
there
that.
is
We
y.
know that here we want to solve.
Sir, x is a constant.
Sir, the differentiation,
No. Okay.
the
Okay.
differentiation value is with x and
X
y.
and Y becomes another variable.
Yes. Before that one, someone want to say that we get in terms of x and y. Someone say, who is speaking?
Yes, sir, I am. Sourav Ghorai.
Yes, Boydurjo. Okay, actually you are on the right track. I just give it here the example. I just make it clear to you. See, I just tell you one thing. I just take 2 examples. Y is equal to x square log x. Okay. Y is equal to x square log x. Huh? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to x square log x. So that means here you can write it as y is equal to f of x.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That means you can write it as explicitly in terms of only x. Hello.
Yes, sir.
That means here you can write y in terms of x. Okay. Now I just tell you one thing, that ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Okay. So here you can express. So from here, can we write this one? Is tell you one thing. Okay, can we write?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see that from here, can we write this one? Can I write this one?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
see that here y you cannot express only in terms of x. Here also another y is also exist. Okay, this type of function, that is, suppose if the actually this function, you can write that f of xy is equal to 0. You can write this this function
Yes,
as
sir.
if x is equal to 0,
No, sir.
and if you can't express explicitly x in terms of y, or y in terms of x,
Implicit.
then this function is known as implicit function. Okay, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So now
Sir,
can we
last
say
class, please repeat it.
implicit function? Implicit function, that is the function, the variables x and y are related in terms of which way, where you cannot express x, either x in terms of y or y in terms of x, then that this function f of xy is equal to 0 is known as implicit function. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now let us try to solve this type of question. Or we can find the derivative of this function also. So how can we find? Tell me. That is
So the
That
derivative.
a
okay,
equal to
okay,
x.
okay. Let me finish. So here what we get, that is differentiate with respect to x, we get 2x plus 2h
2h
of
x dy
dy dx plus y
Plus
Plus
y.
one.
plus
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 2by
by
is
x.
equal to 0.
divided
So now from here, can we write that ax plus hy plus hx plus by dy dx is equal to 0. So from here, we can easily write that dy dx is equal to minus
Ax
of
plus hy
hx
by
plus.
hx plus bx.
Clear?
Sorry, by.
Hx plus by. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay. So now, can I give you another one problem regarding this implicit
Yes,
function?
sir.
So now let's see. The function is of the form log of x square plus y square is equal to 2 tan inverse y by x. From here we can. So now can you solve it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes. Do you know how to solve this type of the differentiation? Because we know that the ddx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square.
1 by 1.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And ddx of tan inverse x by a
Sir, 1 by a into 1 plus
1 by into 1 by 1 plus x.
x by a square.
I think it will be a by x square plus x.
Sir, just give me one time. Just
Yes. Hello.
sir, just give me some time. Just
Okay, you want, okay, you just try to solve.
when I put that. So
Okay, fine. Yes.
So then answer ki x plus y dy dx equal to x square.
Okay. Here we not discuss about the answer. Here we have to know the procedures and how to solve. I know that you know differentiation is very well. That is very good, but you have to just recapitulate the process.
Excuse me, sir.
Think it logically. Yes.
Sir,
Someone
my friend. Yes, sir. Sir, my friend Ankit Kumar Gupta, IT student, sir, can't able to join, sir.
Can you tell me please again?
Yes, sir.
Ki
Sir, my
Ankit
friend.
Gupta? Yes.
Yes, sir. IT student, sir.
Okay, okay. Tell me what is the problem?
Sir, he unable to join, sir.
Okay, just tell him to rename in the proper format, and then the
He should rename in the proper format, otherwise we won't allow him to enter. Okay,
Yeah.
please tell your
Yes,
friends.
yes, ma'am, we have done.
Okay, now tell him. I can't see his name here. Just tell him to try once again.
Okay, ma'am.
the answer will be
Sir, you
2x.
continue.
So 2x
Sourav sir,
square
you
minus
please continue.
2x. Sir, ma'am, sir, actually the answer will be 2x square minus 2x by 2y. I think.
Okay, let's check. See here that if we derive this function, what we get? What is the derivative of any log function?
1 by x.
Into y by a.
1 by
It is
1 by
ddx
a.
of log x is 1 by x. Yeah. So here this will be 1 by x
1
square.
1 by x square plus y square into 2x plus 2y dy dx.
Okay, do you get this one?
Yes,
And
sir.
Yes, sir.
what will be 2 into
dy
1
dx.
by 1
Y
plus
by x
y by
whole
x
square
square into
dot
ddx of
y by x.
Okay. So here what we get? That 2x plus 2y dy dx divided by x square plus y square is equal to, from here what we get? 2 into, just check this calculation.
X square y x square plus y square.
And this one, x dy dx minus y divided by x. Okay. Do you get this one? So now from here, can I write this one? X plus y dy dx is equal to x dy dx minus y. Let's check it.
Yes, sir.
So from here, can I write this one like this? That y minus x dy dx is equal to minus of x plus y, or from here can I write this one?
Yes,
Can
yes.
I write?
The answer minus 2x minus 2y by 2.
Can you write this one?
Yes, sir.
Here that this is the implicit function. That is, you can't express x in terms of y or y in terms of x. So in that case, we will find the derivative in both the terms of dependent variable and independent variable. So here we solve it with respect to x. Can you solve it with respect to y?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So try to solve that one and tell me what is the value.
So the value is x minus y by x plus y.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Because we get dy dx equal to x plus y by x minus y.
Yeah.
We just inverted it and get the value of respect to y.
So that's why I just here talk about one topic, that is here we have to use the result that dy dx into dx dy is equal to, yes.
Yes, sir.
So now I hope up to this stage what I discussed that it is clear to you. If not, then you can tell me that I can again repeat. Is it any problem?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
So can I move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sure.
Next come to the point that what is parametric function? Do you have any idea about parametric function? Any idea?
Sorry, your voice is not clear, sir.
Here my sound is okay, and here I am sitting in the with LAN connection. Something you can check your connection from your side. Okay. So here, what is parametric function? Okay. Parametric function means, okay, I just go to the class 12 or class 9 or 10. I think all of you solve this type of equation that x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. Then find the relation between x and y.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then find the relation between x and y. Do you solve this type of question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you find that x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280, then how can you solve this?
Sir,
So
first
first
we
find the
get
derivative with
What
respect
you
to
do
t.
that you put t is equal to y by 2a in this
dy
equation,
by
and then
dt into dt by dx.
no, I just here are now we are in class 10. Now we have no idea about
Now the
the
value of t,
difference.
then put it to the x equal to
Basic.
80 square in
And you get y square is equal to 4x. Yes. I hope you get this one. Y square is equal to 4x. So now can you tell me which type of geometrical figure will give this one?
the parabola.
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 Parabola. Okay. So now here the parametric function means that if we consider the functions that x is equal to phi of t and y is equal to psi of t. Okay. Then see here that here two variables, x and y. We have to find dy dx and see x and y both are depend on the same variable, that is t. Okay, here this t is known as the parameter. Here this t is known as parameter. So now I think that there is a question that here x and y also known as the variable, and also t we are saying the variable, and at last I said that t is the parameter. So now there is basically a question arise that what is the difference between variable and parameter? Okay, do you have
Sir,
this type of question?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if we put the value of any value of t, then we get the curve. Only putting the value of t.
Hey, but phi of t and psi of t are different functions. Yes. Actually, you want to mean that. Huh? That means actually here dy dx mean you can write that d psi dt divided by d phi dt. Okay, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but now I want to know that what is the difference between variable and parameter? Do you have any idea that what is the difference between variable and parameter?
Sir, variable is a type of value which can change. It cannot be fixed. And
Yes, can you
parameter is the point on which a variable change, on which
Yes, who said this one?
changes its value.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
parameter is
the point at which variable change.
The variable change. Okay. So that means can we discuss that the parameter is independent variable?
Constant.
Constant. Sure.
No, no,
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
no. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. I just give you one idea. Okay. This is a very much real life problem. Okay. So I just write here some names. Okay. I hope all of you know these persons. Yes.
Yes, sir.
I know.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You know. Okay. So now here I just fix something. Okay. Okay. So what I say here, 3 players, and you know them very well. And what I say right here, captaincy, field placing, and batting ability. Okay. So now I just tell you one thing, that if we set a benchmark of 10 in each category. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So somebody say that give 8, field placing 8, batting 10. Okay. This is randomly I put, huh? Captain 10, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9. Okay. Out of 10, you give this one. Okay. So actually see that under these 3 constraints, we will mark these 3 players yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if we want to add more players, so and then we can mark them out of 10 yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now just see that here if we want that the player X, player Y, player Z, the players are changed, but these are the unchanged, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is that
Yes, sir.
we have
Yes, sir.
that we judge all these players by this their capability, like captaincy, field placing, and back. Okay, so see here that we measure on these three qualities. These qualities are known as the parameter, and these player here are the variables. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here, this is the basic concept of that. What is the difference between variable and parameter? So now let us try to solve some problems on which one? The parameters or the differentiation of parametric. Yes.
So that means parameters are dependent on variables.
Parameters depend on variables or variable dependence on parameters. See here, the nature that who are the good batsmen or who are the better captain, that is depend on the parameters. That is actually you
Sharma is
mark
better position.
about their captaincy quality. Actually, in our real life, the quality, the measurement, the quality that all of us have, that someone has very good in math, someone is very good in painting, someone has a very good photography, someone is a good singer. That all of the parameters. Okay, that is some that which sense we can say. That is actually there is always a comparison, and when the comparison will come, then there exists master parameter. Clear? Okay, now I'm just going to solve.
I think so. In a cricket field, sir, Rohit Sharma is better sir, than for Dhoni or ABD. I think in this comparison with parameter.
Actually, that in that portion we have to consider their performance graph. That is in the statistics portion. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, you are very point a very good angle. That is how can we? Sorry, 1 minute. Whatever. Actually, who is better, who is good, who is best, that will depend on the statistics. Okay, and which hypothesis we will take there, that is another question. From which department you are?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
From
Yes,
which
sir. I can.
Yes.
Say AIML, sir. PSC
Okay, CSA AML. Okay. So whenever we will discuss the statistics, we will discuss this one, and when that which hypothesis we will take, then we will discuss that who is better, who is good, and who is best. That is also the mathematical way we will discuss that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. When we look in this, sir, we look in the competition. Then we saw the Kohli is better than the but Rohit is not a good, but not a Rohit Sharma is better. Rohit Sharma is a Virat Kohli. Both are side with the greatest cricketer. So in this comparison, both are same. In this parameter, we just saw.
I think you watch the cricket game very carefully. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. But I hope you know that once a cricket person, Neville Carter say that the scoreboard is a donkey. So now let us concentrate on mathematics, and whenever we concentrate on statistics, we will discuss by our suitable measure that who is better, who is good, and who is best. Okay. Looking forward to that
Okay,
one.
sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So now let us solve some problems from here. That if we consider the function x is equal to a cos t plus t sin t. I hope all of you solved this problem in class 12. Y is equal to a sin t plus t cos t. Sin t minus t cos t. So now from here, can you find the dydx?
Yes, sir.
Actually, see that x is equal to a cos t plus t sin t, and y is equal to a sin t minus t cos t. Okay.
Sir, dy by dx equals to cos t plus sin t by cos t minus sin t.
Okay, here we have to find that what is dy dt and what is dx dt. Okay. Dy dt means d dt of a sin t minus t cos t, and dx dt means d dt of a cos t plus t sin t. Okay. So now just find it.
Sir, dy dx suman tan t.
It may be. That is now let's check that what we get. Let's check. That is this one is cos.
Actually 2a cos t 5 minus 80 sin t.
I hope I for dy dt we get this term, that is 80 sin t.
Yes, 80 sin t.
And dx dt?
Dx dt equal to a into t cos t plus sin t.
Sin t plus t cos t. So that is 80 cos t. So dy dx is equal to, you can write dy dt divided by dx dt. So from here, can we get this one is tan t?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So now from here, can you find the dy dx at the point t is equal to pi by 3?
Root 3.
Yes, that is at the point t is equal to pi by 3. Dy dx is equal to 3. That is the tan 60. Okay, fine, very good. So now can I give you another one question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Well, that means parameter is constant in any equation.
No, actually that is not constant. Actually for different values of t, we will get different values of xn. Okay. Okay. So
it may be changes.
Yes, it may be changes.
Sir.
So I just tell you one thing here. That in the before that was someone student from AIML speaking that someone that who is better and who is good and who is best. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are there. So I just give you one task that can you collect from Google that what are the last 10 innings score of Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma in ODI. You just note down and then I will show you some. Okay.
Okay.
So in that case, now can I proceed for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you just tell me one thing, that if we want to find, this one is quite difficult, another one type, that if we consider the function y is equal to is of the form f of x whole to the power g of x, then can you tell me how can you solve this one? Or how can you find
Sir,
that?
yeah, উইথ মানে দু সাইডে লগ ধরতে হবে।
Both sides we have to take the log. Yes, very good. That means we can write it that log y is equal to g of x into log of f of x. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then we can derive it exactly what we can do. Okay, so now can you solve this one, that y is equal to x to the power cos x?
Yes, sir.
How can you solve it?
Taking log.
Taking log both sides. Achha, can we write this one in the both side, that e of g of x into log of f of x?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We can write. So both the processes are correct. Okay, so you can proceed either this one or you can take both side log. So which one you want to solve here? So can I proceed for both the process?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so here I solve first with the taking both sides logarithm. Okay, so what do we get? That taking logarithm both side, we get log y is equal to cos x into log x. Okay, we can get this one, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now if we differentiate, what we get? With respect to
1 by y.
1 by y
dy by dx equals to minus log x sin x plus cos x by
y
y.
minus sin x log x.
Minus log x sin x.
Okay. So from here, can we write that dy dx is equal to y into cos x by x minus sin x into log x. Okay, and just put here the value of y. That is x to the power cos x into cos x by x minus sin x into log x. Clear?
So
Yes, sir.
answer will be fx to the power gx.
This
Second
one?
bracket x by fx plus log x. Now log into fa by x into g dash x.
Can you tell me again? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me again?
So f of x in to the power g of g f of x. Second bracket g of x by f.
This one.
Yes, sir. First y equal to f of x to the power g f of x.
I can't recognize your question.
Sir, first.
This
Sir,
one?
yes, yes, no, sir. Y equal to f of x. Yes, sir. Yes, this is yes. Sir.
This one, yes, yes. Tell me.
Yes.
Tell me what is the problem?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Actually, here f of x is equal to x and g of x is equal to cos x.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
We can also solve this one by taking this one. That is y is equal to, okay, I just change the color here. Red, y is equal to x to the power cos x. Then from here, can we write e to the power cos x into log x? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So we know that the derivative of e to the power x is always e to the power x. So we will get e to the power cos x into log x into ddx of cos x into log x. So now you just find that same value. That is, this one is equal to x to the power cos x. You write it here. And now just find the derivative. That is cos x by x minus sin x into log x. So you get that same. Just compare.
Actually, sir, we just thought the f of x equal to x, or we g of x equal to cos x.
Yes,
That will be the,
yes,
we are thinking.
I give you more problem on this one. I think there isn't a problem. Yes, am I right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I just give you another some problem. Continuous assessment. So it may be no issue. Okay. So now I just give you some more problems here that y is equal to, I take here. Okay, here I write some problems. Okay. Y is equal to sin x whole to the power cos x. Okay. Do you write? I just give it here 3 problems. Number 3. Okay, do you write?
Yes, sir.
So now try to solve this one.
Sir, the first one we have to proceed by taking log of both sides.
Okay.
And then make the derivative.
Okay.
Or make it the power of expansion of t.
Okay, okay. So now I just do it here. That y is equal to sin x whole to the power cos x. Okay, all of you follow here. Okay. So what do we get?
Log y equal to
Log y is equal to cos
log
x.
Cos x
log sin x.
log sin x.
Okay, fine. So now if we want to derive this function, cutting it. That is 1 by y dy dx is equal to ddx of, I
Cos
just
x by sin x.
I change the color here. Okay. So I just now continue the right hand portion, that is derivative of cos x. I take the first one, this is the second one, so it will be minus sin x into log sin x plus cos x into 1 by sin x into ddx of sin x cos
Equal
x.
to cos x, cos x. Yes, sir, cos x.
Cos x. So from here we get this one minus sin x into log sin x plus cos x by sin x. We can write it cos x into cot x.
Cortex.
Cot x. So dy dx is equal to, we can write here that y into cos x cot x minus sin x into log sin x. Okay. What is the value of y? That is sin x.
Sin x into cos x. Yes, sir. That is n.
Minus sin x log sin x.
Into log x.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So now try to solve the question number 2.
Sir, taking x to the power x equal to e to the power x log x and y to the power x equal to e to the power x log y equal
Okay.
to.
Sir,
Here,
here we cannot taking log both sides. Here we have to assume u equal to x to the power x and v equal to y to the power x, and then we have to differentiate the both. And
okay.
after
Now who is speaking? Hello? Who is speaking here?
hello,
Yes. What is your name?
sir, I am Diya Mukherjee from IT.
Okay, very good. So take it. That is x to the power x plus y to the power x is equal to 1. And here we cannot take. So here we will consider
Minus y by x. Minus y by x.
So can we write this one as like this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now if we differentiate both sides, what do we get? As a ddx of 1, ddx of 1, 0. Very good. Okay. So now, so it will be e to the power x log x of x into 1 by x plus log x.
Yes.
Plus, what do we get? E to the power x log y
Into
x by
x
y
by y into dy by dx.
dy dx plus
Plus
log
Log y.
yes, sir. Plus log.
is equal to 0. Okay, fine. So now from here we can write x to the power x 1 plus log x plus y to the power x into x by y dy dx. Okay, I just make it here bracket plus log y is equal to 0. So from here, can you simplify this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how do you get? Tell me. So now I just write here that we think we get x into y to the power x minus 1 dy dx is equal to minus of x to the power x 1 plus log x. So we can consider here one bracket plus y to the power x log. And now find the dividend. Just divide it by x into y to the power x minus 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? Okay. So now can you solve the question number 3? Here, can you take both side log?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Since here this is the product function. So it will be better that when you find the product.
We have to approach here by using chain rule.
Actually, everything here you do the chain rule. Okay. So can you? Okay. Yes.
স্যার এটা ওই প্রোডাক্ট রুল মানে ইউবি মেথড দিয়ে হয় ওটা ভুল করে আমি চেন রুল বলে দিই
Okay. No problem. So try to solve the question number 3, and then we will going to the second order derivative. Okay. Opola Halder, when you say that, explain the third line. Opola is there.
স্যার
Yes.
হিয়ার স্যার একটু আমি বাংলায় বলছি অসুবিধা হচ্ছে ইংলিশের মধ্যে এখানে আমরা ফার্স্ট এভাবে করতে পারি
কোন অঙ্কটা সেটা বল
স্যার 3-এরটায়
তোমার নাম কি
দিয়া মুখার্জি
হ্যাঁ বলো
স্যার ফার্স্ট এটা আমরা y টু দি পাওয়ার x টাকে মানে ফিক্সড রাখলাম রেখে x টু দি পাওয়ার 13 ডেরিভেটিভ করে 13 ইনটু x টু দি পাওয়ার 12 হলো
ওকে
তারপর প্লাস দিয়ে x টু দি পাওয়ার 13 টাকে রাখলাম এবার y টু দি পাওয়ার x এর ডেরিভেটিভ হবে তো
y টু দি পাওয়ার 7 ওটা y টু দি পাওয়ার 7
ও আমি স্যার x দেখছিলাম আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে অসুবিধা নেই y টু দি পাওয়ার 7 তো এটাকে আমরা 7 ইনটু y টু দি পাওয়ার 6 করে তারপর dy dx লিখতে পারি
দেন
এটাকে স্যার লগ নিয়েও সলভ করা যেতে পারে
হ্যাঁ স্যার তাতে বেশি সহজ হবে
In mathematics you can approach different way, but which approach you take that must be logical. Whatever you can use, but that must be logical. If that is logical, then it will be achieved. If not logical, then it will not grant it. Okay.
Okay.
So can I proceed for the solving third one?
Yes, sir.
So what is the given? That is x to the power 13 Can you tell me please the question? X to the power 13, y to the power 7 is equal to
x plus y to the power 20.
x plus y or to the power. So if we take here both side logarithm, what do we get? That is 13 log x
Plus 7 log y
plus 7 log y is equal to
equal to
20.
2 log x plus y.
So now differentiate both sides with respect to x. We will get 13 by x plus 7 by y dy dx is equal to 20 by x plus y into 1 plus dy dx. Okay, so now here we just segregate the portion, that is 7 by y minus 20 by x plus y dy dx is equal to 20 by x plus y minus 13 by x. Okay. So from here, if we simplify, what we get? That both side LCM is y into x plus y. Am I right?
Yes, sir, you are right.
Yes, sir.
And that is 7 into x plus y minus 20y. And this part we will get 20x minus 13 x plus y. And tell me that after simplification, what you get? This x plus y will be cancelled out here. And you will get 7x plus 7y, that is 7x minus 13y by y dy dx is equal to 7x minus 13y by x. Oh, this is a very good result. The dy dx is equal to y by x.
Yes, sir.
All of you
Yes,
agree
sir.
with me? Okay, someone want to say something? Sir, y by x. Yes, very good. Y by x. Sharojit Paul.
Yes, y by x. Sir.
And Dipayan Chatterjee from electrical. Okay. So is there no guy from CSC? So now can I proceed for the second order derivative?
Yes, sir.
Actually, sir, this is great question because when we will saw the firstly, then the answer will be biggest, but the answer will be short. Just y by x.
Can you tell me please again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That you say want to say something. Can you tell me again what you say?
Actually, sir, this question is great.
Okay. 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 Fine. So now can I proceed for the second order derivative?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now let us try to solve some problems on text. Okay, before going to the second order derivative, I just tell you one thing that that all of these one, that this is the repeat from class 12. So I just do you know how to find the derivative of a determinant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. By one row or one column.
Yes. So now I just show you by one example. Okay.
Sir, please repeat the question. I
Ah.
cannot
Okay.
understand.
I just want to know from you that do you know that how to find the differentiation of any determinant? Derivative of determinant. Derivative of determinant. Do you know? If we consider 3 cross 3 order 3 determinants. Okay, like f1x, f2x, f3x, g1x, delta determinant is defined with g1x, g2x, g3x, and this is h1x, h2x, and h3x. Okay. So now can you find the derivative of this determinant?
Yes, sir. It will
How?
be.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It will
Yes.
be.
Yes.
If one dash x, if two dash x, if three dash x, the other two lines will be same plus.
This is not the lines, either say row or column. Here you take the rows. So say here the rows are remain constant.
Rows
Okay.
will remain the same. Then we will differentiate G1 second row and plus then the third one.
Third one. Okay. So actually here we can write this one as like as f1 dash x plus f2 dash x. Sorry, this is not, this is the plus sign. Sorry. Then f3 dash x, g1 the second row and the third row are remain same. Then first row, third row is unchanged, second row will be changed. f3x okay, 1 minute. Plus here the f1, f2, f3, all are function of x. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now can you take one example from here?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Or I just before also you can elaborate any row and column and then you can make simple differentiation. Okay. So here I just show you one example from here. That find the derivative of the determinant f of x is equal to, sorry, delta f of, sorry, delta is equal to x square x cube 1 sin x cos x tan x x cos x 0 x. So now can you find it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To find it? So now can you solve it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think it will be better if we and then differentiate. Please mute yourself. Let down. Hey, sound off karo. So how can you solve this?
Sir, differentiating each
Sir,
row
at
and
first,
then adding.
second row and third row remain same and
No, why
differentiate
are
the
you not simplifying this?
Sir, I have
Simplify. Just expand along the first row and then get the function and then differentiate. It is the actual way, but what I say that actually these are these determinants you get from here, and if you combine this, you will get actually the differentiation of this all function. Okay, so here you just, if you expand along the first row,
X cos X.
you can know it. So from here, what do you get? X cube cos
X
x
square into X cos X.
minus x cube into x sin x minus x cos x into tan x. Actually, you get from here minus x sin x. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Plus, minus x cos square x. So this one will be cancelled out. So you will get only the portion. So now just differentiate this one and you will get the result. So that is delta dash.
Sir, before a into cos square x, no, before x into cos square x equal to minus plus.
This one?
Yes, yes.
Minus 1.
Minus.
Minus,
Oh,
yes.
yes, minus.
So it will be 3x square cos x minus x cube sin x minus cos square x. And the list, I hope you get x sin 2x. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Say in class 12, sir, we have seen, I think, in this question.
Yes. Maybe. So now can I proceed for the second order derivative?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's go to the second order derivative. This is not only the second order derivative. So now when we want to discuss about the second order derivative, that means here that when I want the first order derivative, that is dy dx or f dash x, then we have to check that f of x is continuous. Okay, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But here, when we want to the second order derivative, that is d2y dx2, mean d dx of dy dx. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This one, when you want to find, we have to also check the function f dash x is continuous or not. If f dash x is not continuous, then we can say that the function that the second order derivative doesn't exist. Okay, clear? Actually here, after finding the function, we have to check that the second order derivative is exist or not. So now let us check some problems that how can we find the second order derivative. Okay. That is, if we find the function that y is equal to 10x, then can you find the d2y dx2? And in short, d2y dx2 also we can write as y2. And the first order derivative dy dx as y1. So now can you solve this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes.
Yes.
Try to find the d2y dx2.
Sir, 2 6
Sir,
square
2
x square.
square x 10x.
Okay, so actually first we find the dy dx, that is sec square x.
Yes, sir.
And then d2y dx2,
Dx square equal to
2 sec
2
x
sec
into
x into.
ddx of sec x. Am I
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
So this is 2 sec x, and sec x, the derivative of sec x is
Sec x
Sec
into
x tan
10x.
x.
sec x tan x. That is, we get 2 tan x sec square.
Into 6 square x. 6 square
What is the
x.
value of tan x?
Sin x by cos x.
No, tan x is
One.
equal to y,
Y.
and sec square x is equal to dy dx. So now
Yes,
can
sir.
we write this is 2y into y1?
Yes, 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 sir. Y2 equal to 2 into y1. Yes.
You can write?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I just want to solve some problems from your class 12. These two are, I hope you solve this type of question also for your board exam. So you just tell me that how to solve. That y is equal to a cos log x plus b sin log x. Then prove that x square d2y dx2 plus x dy dx plus y is equal to 0. Tell me then how to solve this. So can you solve this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, can I ask someone from here? Okay, let's check that how they solve it. There are so many participants are there. Can I ask from EC Neha there?
So first of all, we just found dy by dx, then d square y by dx square.
Then we
Then
put the x
actually,
in that side.
yes.
Sir,
Then?
first taking the
Then
a
again
equal to
different.
sin x and b equal to, sorry, a equal to sin theta and b equal to cos theta. Then y equal to sin theta plus log x. Then y2 equal to cos যে
Actually,
তারপর করতে হবে, যে
no, no.
তারপর করে ওখান থেকে
First we
বের করতে
have
হবে।
to differentiate dy dx.
Hmm? Okay, actually here you have to find.
So actually, so we have find dy by dx and then d square by dx square.
Actually, I just tell you one thing. Here, this is dy dx, not dy by dx. Dy dx stands for the change of y with respect to x. This is not the division. So don't say that dy by dx. Always it is say dy dx. And d
Okay, sir.
square
Okay.
now, this is d2y dx. Okay. Y is equal to a cos log x plus b sin log x. Okay. So now here, if we differentiate with respect to x, so what we
Minus
that is dy dx
Sin log x plus 1 by
minus
x.
a sin
sin log x by x plus b cos log x by x.
log x into 1
Into
by
1 by x.
1
plus
by x. b into
b cos
cos into
Log
log x.
x times 1 by x.
1 by x. So from here, can we write that x dy dx is equal to minus a sin log x plus b cos log x. Can I write?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now from here, if we differentiate again, differentiate with respect to x again. Actually, this is the product of two functions. So here we can write that ddx of x dy dx is equal to ddx of minus a sin log x plus b cos log x. Okay. So here we can write that x into d2y dx2 plus dy dx is equal to get can I write this one?
Yes, sir.
Can I write?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
You can write it. Okay, fine. So now can you tell me that from here what we get? That is from here, can I write this one as
minus y by x.
can I write this one? So now from here, if we multiply by this one x, so we get this one x square this one is minus of this one, that is the value of y. And if we take it in the left hand, we get this value. So now is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I want to give you another one problem. Same type of question. This is you also solve in class 12. That if y is equal to sine inverse x, then show that 1 minus x square d2y dx2 minus x dy dx equal to 0. Can you send the recording of this class? Okay. Y is equal to sine inverse x, then show that 1 minus x square d2y dx2 minus x dy dx is equal to 0. So now can you solve this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So try to solve this one. I just give you two. I
Sir,
think
done, sir.
done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How can you solve?
Sir, first differentiate with respect to x, then square the both side.
Okay. Okay. I just see here what to think that. Arpita ma'am or Subi sir is there?
And Sourav.
Ma'am, can they share their work? Can you permit to show their work?
And Shubir, are you there? Shubir?
I
Shubir
think
sir, are you there?
Shubir absent, ma'am.
I think he is not absent. Actually, he is in the exam duty.
Then Shivdan sir, are you there, Shivdan sir?
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
আচ্ছা শিবনাম একটু দেখো না সৌরভ স্যার যেটা বলছে একটু করে দাও না
Okay, Sourav sir. Say.
First up, two of you say that complete the problem. So can you share?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think now you are able to share. Just check.
Sir, wait a minute.
Yes.
Sir, done, sir, done.
You can share.
So what will, sir?
That you complete the program. So can you share that how you solve this one?
So how to can I share, sir?
You join from laptop or mobile?
Sir, I joined sir mobile.
Okay, mobile. Okay, no issue. Is there any portion in showing on your screen that share screen?
Oh, share screen. Okay, sir.
Okay,
sir, actually, sir, the option start video.
Start video. No,
Sir,
I think there's enough option that screen sharing.
Screen share. So share button.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
host can share. Name is Dheeraj Kumar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, you are now co-host. You can share your screen.
Screen.
Okay. You are now co-host. You are permitted to share your screen.
May I show start video with clicking the start video?
Okay. I think there is a problem.
Sir,
Okay,
actually,
I just give you one options here that I can check.
so we could see the process, total process of this answer.
Okay.
First of all, sir,
You
y equal to
just telegram your paper copy in this number. I just
paper
check
number
in.
and copy. Oh,
Just
okay,
take
sir,
a,
okay.
as you send it in WhatsApp.
Sir, screenshot, sir, I think.
Not the screenshot here. Just take a picture and send me.
Oh, okay. Sir, wire, Telegram.
Yes,
In
Telegram. Yes, Telegram.
Okay, sir. So the answer of this question.
Yes, answer of this question. Yes.
Okay, sir, okay.
So all of you have solved what I have to solve it here.
Done, sir.
All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Total number of participants is here now 181. So now can you solve? All of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All of you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I've solved it.
Okay, it's fine. So there is no need to solve from myself?
Sir.
No, sir.
Boydurjo, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But Boydurjo, in the last line, you have done a mistake. That is 1 minus x square y2. Check it.
Y2 for
the last one.
Oh no, sorry.
Sir, I have sent it in your
Okay. I just check. Okay, fine. But Priyal is doing another method. It is quite good. But sometimes if the function is more rigorous, then your calculation will be more tedious.
Sir, are you telling me?
Yes, Priyal Banerjee?
Yes, sir.
Yes, actually you do it another way, but sometimes it will take more time. If the function is, if we have to solve 3 times or 4 times. Actually, from here, we can also find the nth order derivative of product of 2 functions. Okay. The nth order derivative of 2 functions of product of 2 functions. Product of 2 functions.
Sir, I can share WhatsApp.
Okay, I check. Yes, some of you shared with me. Okay, first time. Okay. There is someone containing the last number 270. Who is he or she? It is correct. Okay. This one is Avijit Bhunia. Avijit Bhunia from which department? Yes. And this one, okay, fine. What is there? Okay, fine. So now can I proceed for the next one? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. The next question is, y is equal to, okay, let me check. Y is equal to
So you send.
I just write some questions on the board.
So I had sent, sir, in some in our.
Okay, I'll check. Sine inverse x divided by root
Sir.
over 1 minus x square. Yes.
Sir, how are they sending you through WhatsApp?
WhatsApp, Telegram, both. Choose any one of them. Okay, not two.
Sir, are you writing something?
Then show that. Yes, if y is equal to sine inverse x divided by root over 1 minus x square, then show that.
Sir, your screen is frozen.
Then show that.
So
One.
nothing is being written on the board.
Okay.
The screen froze.
Okay. Just check.
Sir, I have sent
I
it
think there is.
through Telegram.
Okay, I will check.
10 minutes ago, sir, I had sent this. Sir, this will be your number. 898900222915. Hello, sir.
There problem from my side. Okay. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are
Okay.
audible.
Okay, but actually there is no problem in my laptop. Okay, just wait for 2 minutes. Okay.
So you can just tell us the problem and we will copy it down and then we can solve it.
So can I dictate it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So right, if y is equal to sine inverse x divided by root over 1 minus x square.
Okay.
Then show that.
Sir, root over?
Please repeat.
Sir, can you say
Hello, Sourav sir.
Hello, sir.
Sourav sir may be out of the room. Wait sometimes. Who is re-entering? Hello, Okita ma'am. Okita ma'am. Hello, students. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is something technical problem. There is entering within 5 minutes. Okay, you are wait now.
So what will you say, sir? Please.
Sometimes waiting. There is something wait technical problem. Okay, sir
Oh.
entering within 5 minutes. Sir is entering.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
No.